Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 319. If you're getting Roblox Error Code 319 with the message Game Integrity Failed, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple steps you can try to get Roblox working again. This error can sometimes happen because Roblox has corrupted or outdated local files running on your computer, so let's completely refresh those files and see if that solves the problem. First, completely close Roblox. Don't just close the game window. We also want to make sure there are no Roblox processes still running in the background. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes. Search for anything related to Roblox. If you find a Roblox process, right-click on it and select End Task. Make sure there are no Roblox processes remaining before you continue. Once you're finished, close Task Manager. Now, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %localappdata%. Then press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. Now look through the folders and find the one called Roblox. Once you find it, right-click the Roblox folder and select Delete. Don't worry about deleting this folder. This does not delete your Roblox account, purchases, friends, or game progress. These are local files stored on your computer, and Roblox can recreate the necessary files the next time you launch Roblox. After deleting the folder, close File Explorer. Now, I recommend restarting your computer before launching Roblox again. Once your PC has restarted, open Roblox and try joining a game that was previously giving you the 319 Game Integrity Failed error. Roblox should now create a fresh set of local files, which can resolve problems caused by corrupted or outdated data. If you're still seeing the error, make sure Roblox and Windows are fully updated and check that you don't have security software or other applications interfering with Roblox. So, to quickly recap, close Roblox completely, end any remaining Roblox processes, delete the Roblox folder from local app data, restart your PC, and then launch Roblox again. Hopefully, this resolves Roblox Error Code 319 for you. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Roblox tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.